Assalamualaikum sir. Sir. Sir, we are basically here to take your interview as you are a professional in this field regarding the cases and your personal perspective of the custom of taking dowry as it is very prevalent in the Pakistani society. Sir, please introduce yourself.
I'm an advocate. My name is Wasim Ahmad. I'm a lawyer.
So sir, I know we're starting with a very personal question, but what's your relationship status? Are you married?
I'm married.
Sir, as a married person, what is your personal perspective regarding dowry?
I believe we are Muslims and this dowry, this tradition of giving dowry articles to women is against, I suppose it's against the mentions of Islam. It's creating hurdles in smooth functioning of the society. And it's also affecting the relationship between husband and wife. At least there should be in the dowry articles exchange of जो बातों में उसको dowry articles पेरेंट्स की तरफ से जो दिए जाते हैं.
Their parents play a huge role in giving and taking dowry. So, what do you think are the opinions and perspectives of the parents that come to you, and what they receive dowry as?
Basically, parents give dowry articles to their children because of social pressure and in some cases to show off. And some parents can't afford really. They don't want to give, but because of social pressure they give dowry articles to their daughters.
So another thing that is very prevalent is in the, not very prevalent, but in the young generation, the girls think, and even the boys, they have a mindset that the girl should be more educated. If she's educated, and as you said, that if she's contributing to the home income of the month, then what is the point in taking the dowry with her? So, as a
I think the
professional,
most important thing is that how long dowry articles go with you. After all,
there's
they have
every
a life.
stage, yeah.
After 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, that will vanish. If you want to give your daughter something which is valuable, that is education and art of living, how to deal with the people, how to deal with the husband, how to deal with the children, and how to lead a happy life. That training basically is needed to lead a happy life. But unfortunately, instead of focusing on these things, we are focusing on material things, which is to some extent is relevant, but not that important to lead a happy life. Ultimately, our goal is to lead a happy life, not a life with all such material things.
So sir, basically what your point of view is that education is way more important than the material.
Yeah, of course. Education and training to deal with it, art to live.
The art.
Well, not only the education, it's a training, art to live. There are certain women who are not educated, but they know how to live.
Yeah.
They know how to lead a happy life. They make their family, they make their husband, they make their children, even the in-laws happy. That's the most important thing.
So at the end now, it's a very personal question. If you want to ask, if you want to answer it, or if you want to know, then it's up to you, sir. But when it was the time of your marriage, did you as an individual take any articles as dowry?
Yeah, no, I didn't take the dowry articles. Neither there was any demand. But it was, I mean to say, my wife bring out dowry articles, but there wasn't any demand. And, it was a routine matter.
So it was not like you guys demanded something. So your wife, she got
According to their
system and everything.
their financial position, my in-laws gave dowry articles to their daughter.
So sir, definitely we need more people like you who are in the society dealing with the justice system of art and who have a mindset such as you, that education and the art to live is way more important than dowry, as it is not an Islamic custom. So sir, thank you so much for giving us your time. It was a really insight to the law and the justice system of Pakistan regarding with our topic. It really helped us to sit here and have a conversation with you. Thank you so much.
I'm also thankful to you. And the initiative taken by your school, it's a good topic. Whether you have chosen and given by your school, it's really appreciable, and I really appreciate it.
Thank you so much. So, sir, as a law practitioner, and now you have studied law throughout your life, so, sir, what does the Pakistani law say about that? Because I heard that there is a specific law that the dowry shouldn't be more than 5,000.
There is a restriction, but practically it's not possible. It's only in the statute, but practically people give dowry articles to their daughters, and groom side accept it.
So, sir, moving on, have you ever come across a case that was concerning the specific issue of dowry?
Yeah.
Related dowry.
I've conducted many cases of recovery of dowry articles.
Sir, do you mind sharing this?
Yeah. In court, we only come across cases where the women, after separation or after some dispute, when the women come to the court and ask for recovery of dowry articles. There are two types of difficulties. One is that where the women claim certain amount of certain dowry articles, and they prepare a list of dowry articles which actually was not given at the time of marriage. And other cases where they prepare a genuine list, but because of procedure in the court, it's very difficult to recover the dowry articles.
So, sir, do you think there are enough laws implemented in Pakistan to solve this issue?
But President, there is a need of improving the laws. There are certain laws, but there is a space of lot of improvement, especially about the preparation of dowry, list of dowry articles which is given at the time of marriage. Normally in Pakistan this list is not prepared, and we prepare the list when we are filing a court case, and then it's obviously it's difficult to prove that. Then it's up to the discretion of the court, and this should not be there, and list should be prepared at the time of the marriage, so that in case of any dispute that the dowry articles could be easily recovered.
So, sir, do you think our justice system is a little bit biased towards dowry?
No, it's not biased. Normally courts favor the women, but the main question is there are two type of difficulties. One, at the time of marriage, dowry articles creating hurdles in the marriages of the women. Second thing is the procedure of recovery. That's also a create difficulty. Courts are not biased. Courts are working according to the law, and normally a decree is passed. You see, if a marriage is dissolved after 10 years, and most of the articles which are given to the women, they lose their value.
So, sir, do you think, have you ever seen a couple break off their marriage because of this issue?
Yes. But there are a number of cases in which, even if they don't break up, they lead a miserable life. There are so many disputes because of this dowry articles. In Pakistan, in most of the cases, breakup doesn't happen because of the disputes between the spouses. There are external factors for this. But because of dowry articles, there is always a quarrel between the two person, husband and wife.
So, sir,
एक लिस्ट तैयार होती है कि ये आर्टिकल जो थे एट द टाइम ऑफ मैरिज लड़की को दिए गए थे जो ब्राइड है। तो दो तरह के केसेस आते हैं। एक तो यह है कि जो ब्राइड है उसको फिर वो आर्टिकल्स नहीं दिए गए होते और एक वो लंबी चौड़ी लिस्ट तैयार हो जाती है। दूसरा वो केसेस है जहाँ पर लिस्ट बिल्कुल जेन्युइन होती है, लेकिन लड़की को रिकवर कर नहीं कर पाती है, उसकी जो अमाउंट उसे वापस की जाती है बड़ी की वैल्यू तो उससे बहुत कम होती है। और इसमें ज़रूरत है कि कानून साजी के हवाले से ये है कि जब भी आर्टिकल्स दिए जाएँ وہ ایک لسٹ پہ آیا ہو، اس میں مینشن ہو کہ یہ آرٹیکلس دیے جا رہے ہیں. جب اگر کوئی ان کے درمیان سپریشن ہوتی ہے تو وہ خاتون کو ریکور کرنے میں آسان ہے. کورٹ میں یہ سب ہے. پھر ایک لا میں تھوڑی سی ریسٹرکشن بھی ہے کہ آپ کیا چیزیں دے سکتے ہیں، لیکن ایسا اس کی امپلیمنٹیشن یا وہ سوشلی پاسبل نہیں ہے، کیونکہ دو پارٹیز کے درمیان دو فیملی کے درمیان انٹریکشن ہوتا ہے. اسلامک پوائنٹ آف ویو تو ایگزیکٹلی یہی ہے کہ ڈاوری آرٹیکل اسلام میں کہیں نہیں، یہ کانٹریکٹ ہے میرج کا، اس کی جو لوازمات جو ضروری چیزیں اسینشیلز ہیں وہ آفر اینڈ ایکسیپٹینس ہیں، عورت اور مرد کی طرف سے آفر اینڈ ایکسیپٹینس ہو حق میں. اس کے علاوہ کسی چیز کی کوئی ریکوائرمنٹ نہیں ہے. انہیریٹنس کے حوالے سے یہ ہے کہ وہ پیرنٹس سے صرف اور صرف جو اس کا رائٹ بنتا ہے آفٹر ڈیتھ آف پیرنٹس وہ ان سے کلیم کر سکتے ہیں. وہ ان سے بلکہ کلیم بھی کرے گی، وہ ڈیوالو ہو جائے گا آٹومیٹیکلی، اسے کلیم کرنے کی ضرورت نہیں ہے.
سکسیشن آپ کا بن جاتا ہے،
وہ سکسیشن اس کا بنتا ہے. اور ڈیفینیٹلی ڈاوری آرٹیکلس کی وجہ سے ہماری سوسائٹی کے اندر کافی پرابلم آ رہی ہے. سب سے بڑی پرابلم یہ ہے کہ بہت ساری خواتین ایسی ہیں جن کے ادروائز ان میں بہت کوالٹیز ہیں، ایجوکیٹڈ ہیں، لیکن ان کے پیرنٹس کیونکہ انہیں افورڈ نہیں کر سکتے کہ ڈاوری آرٹیکلس دیں، تو لوگوں کی سوسائٹی میں ایک نام ہی کہیں لے کے خواہش ہوتی ہے کہ وہ ہم لڑکی لے کر آئیں جس کے پیرنٹس ہیں وہ اچھے سے ڈاوری آرٹیکل دے سکیں، تو اس وجہ سے خواتین رہ سکتے ہیں. ادروائز اٹس اے سوشل ایونٹ، ہماری سوسائٹی میں یہ نہیں ہونی چاہیے. اور کون سے لوگ اس میں اہم رول پلے کر سکتے ہیں؟ وہ ینگسٹرز جو ہیں وہی رول پلے کر سکتے ہیں. جب شادی کریں تو کہیں کہ ہم نے نہیں لینی، لڑکیاں جو ہیں وہ یہ کہیں کہ ہم نے یہ چیز نہیں لے کے جانی، تعلیم لے کے جائیں گے، کیونکہ اب نا ایک سوسائٹی میں چینج ویسے نہیں آتا، کیونکہ مرد کے ساتھ ساتھ عورت جو ہے وہ ارننگ ہے، کنٹریبیوٹ کر رہی ہے. پہلی عورت کنٹریبیوٹ نہیں کرتی تھی اور وہ ایک پیسو رول اس کا، اب ایکٹیو رول ہے. سو آپ ایک ڈاوری آرٹیکلس کی ضرورت پر میں ویسے بھی کام ہوتی ہے، لیکن اس کو جلدی ختم کر دینا چاہیے، ایریڈیکیٹ کر دینا چاہیے سوسائٹی.
should we start with the question?